My Ibadan people, here is where the residential and commercial are more valued. Welcome to Ajeshewa, located at Munia, Ibadan. This is where infrastructure are enhanced because it is more accessible, beautiful, and valuable. This is potentially for high return investors. Smart investors cannot miss this because of its unmatched growth, exclusive opportunity, and investors focus. As you can see, the gatehouse is up already with strong foundation, 16 mm of iron mixed with concrete, being non-local. It comes with good title, C of O. It is affordable by any class of investors, as 500 square meter go for 4.5 million naira. 1,000 square meter, which is commercial, go for 10 million naira, and 1 acre go for 25 million naira. All fees inclusive. Send your message now to secure yours. Also share with your friends and loved ones. Follow and subscribe for more updates on investment. Thank you. I'll be waiting to hear from you.